Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is giveaway time, you guys, and I am having this giveaway to celebrate my 1,000 subscribers here on the Hot Bella Experience YouTube channel. I am so excited, you guys, about this. I am hoping also that you guys are just as excited to participate in this giveaway as I am to give away these items. There's so many good products that I have here, and I want to be able to share and to give these products back to some of you guys. So, before we get into all of the products, I want to make sure that I lay out the rules of this giveaway. So the first rule is that you have to be subscribed to my channel. This giveaway is for Hot Bella Experience YouTube subscribers only. So you have to be certain that you are subscribed to this channel. Also, in the comment section, you have to leave a comment that says, "I want to win." Then you're going to head over to Instagram. You're going to follow me there. There's also a post on my Instagram page regarding this giveaway. And on that post, you have to comment to say, "I want to win." And you also have to tag 3 people in that post. So those are the rules. Very simple. I'm not taking you guys through a whole bunch of loops and things like that for this giveaway because I'm just excited to be able to give back to you guys. And I'm going to announce the winner of this giveaway on February 5th. I want to give you guys enough time to enter into this giveaway so that you will get your bid in to win all of these wonderful products. So let's go over this once again. You have to be a subscriber. You have to leave a comment on this video that says, "I want to win." You have to head over to Instagram. You want to make sure that you're following me there. There is a post on Instagram regarding this giveaway. Be certain that you leave the same comment there, "I want to win," and also tag 3 people. That's all you have to do. So I want to show you guys what's included in this giveaway. I am so excited. So I've broken it down into categories. So this giveaway is going to have skincare, it's going to have some tools and accessories, and of course it's going to have some makeup. So let's start off with skincare first. There are 5 items in this giveaway that fall under the skincare category. And the first one is from Skin & Co. And this is the face Gammage. This is a part of Skin & Co.'s Truffle therapy line, and this is their Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gammage. This is a part of the skincare category, and this is going to be included in the giveaway. So super excited for someone to try this out. The next item is from First Aid Beauty, and these are the Facial Radiance Pads. This is the 28 count of the Facial Radiance Pads. But yeah, this is another awesome skincare item. This next item is from Milk Cosmetics, and this is the Matcha Purifying Face Mask. And it's always good to have some type of skincare routine. It doesn't matter what age you are or what complexion you are. It is super important to have some type of skincare process or routine in place. I like Milk Makeup as a brand. I think that this is going to be a really nice product to add into someone's skincare routine. So yeah, this is included in the giveaway. And the next item are these masks. These are sheet masks. These are from Moly, and there are 3 of these masks. There's a calming mask, there's a purifying mask, and there's a illuminating mask. So yeah, these are super awesome. These will also be included in the giveaway. This next item is not necessarily for your face, but it is for your body. And this is the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is in the fragrance Cherry TONKA Musk. This is a multi-use infused buffer, so you can use it multiple times. So you would use this sponge in the shower, and it has a wonderful fragrance to it, so someone is going to be enjoying this also as part of this giveaway. And the next category for items that are going to be included in this giveaway are tools. This first item is from Butte, and this is a teeth whitening kit. So yeah, this is super awesome. I don't know if you've ever tried teeth whitening before, but it's good to have an at-home kit to do that. So this is included in the giveaway. There's also this mini ceramic curling iron. This is from Sutra, and this mini curling iron is in the color pale yellow. So it comes with a little travel bag as well. So this is a tool that's going to be included in the giveaway. And I'm also giving away some brushes. This is the 12-piece cruelty-free brush set with cup. This is from Pure, the Complexion Authority, and these are really, really nice brushes. Again, it comes with a cup, so that makes it really nice where you'll be able to place it on the counter or vanity or wherever you are if you're traveling. And then once you're ready to go, you just snap the top right back on this, and you are good to go. So these brushes will also be in the giveaway. And now for the main category, and that is makeup. So there are 11 makeup items 11 makeup items that are included in this giveaway. The first item is from Violet Voss. This is the Essentials 2 palette. This is a nice palette and someone is going to have so much fun with this. Let me show you what it looks like real quickly here. So this is the outer packaging. Oops, take a little plastic off. And this is what the palette looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? This palette is in the giveaway, you guys. The next palette is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Celestial Thunder palette. This is a gorgeous palette. This definitely has those pops of color in it, and it's awesome, and it's a part of the giveaway as well. And then there's this palette. This palette is from Hip Dot. This is a really nice palette. Hip Dot has some really nice eyeshadow palettes. The formulation is supposed to be really good, but this is what this palette looks like. I think this palette is going to give you a lot of variation to create some beautiful and stunning looks. This is from Hip Dot. This is the C-Note palette. It's in the giveaway. And next up, there is this face palette from Iconic London. This is their Blaze Chaser face palette, and this is what this looks like. You've got some shades in here you can use as blush. You've got some shades in here also that you can use as bronzer. And even depending on your skin tone, some of these shades may work well in the under eye area for you. So yeah, this is a really nice palette. It too is also in this giveaway, you guys. This next item is from NYX, and this is the NYX Illuminator. This is in the shade Chaotic. This is what this product looks like. This product does have a sheen to it, so it would make a really nice highlighter, and you could also use it as a blush if you'd like. But this is one of the 11 makeup items that's in this giveaway. The next item is from Bang Beauty, and it is a gel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Chocolate, and this is what this product looks like. So I really love having a good gel eyeliner, and especially having one that is brown. I like a good black eyeliner, but I still think that it's a good idea to have a good brown gel eyeliner in your makeup collection or in your makeup stash. It helps to keep the eyes really soft when you're wearing those really natural types of looks. So yeah, the Bang Beauty gel eyeliner in the shade Chocolate is also included in the giveaway. This next item is from Tat Brow, and this is their microblade brow pen. I have tried this in a video for you guys before. At the time when I made the purchase from Tat Brow, I purchased 2 of them. I still have the other one, so I'm giving one away. This is in the shade Dark Brown. This is a brow product, and it's going to be included in the giveaway. This next item is from Luna by Luna, and this is a lip gloss. This lip gloss is in the shade Mars, and this is what this lip gloss looks like. This would be a gorgeous nude shade. Beautiful lip gloss. This is going to be in the giveaway. And this is another lip gloss. This is from Trust Fund Beauty, and this is their Lipgasm lip gloss. This is in the shade Professional, and this is what this lip gloss looks like. This is going to be a really pretty spring or summer shade. So someone is going to be winning this lip gloss as part of the giveaway. This next item is from Rockins Cosmetics, and this is the Hot Mess Gel Eye Pens. So these are jumbo type eye pens. These come in 3 colors. There's black, green, and blue. These are really pretty. These would be good to use if you wanted to use it as an eyeshadow shade or even for lining your waterline. And last but not least, we've got an eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. and this is in the shade Deep Brown. And this is one of those staple type products, right, that everyone wants to have in their makeup collection or have in their makeup stash. I love the fact that it's dual ended, so you get a spoolie and then you get the actual product here on the other end. So this is a part of the giveaway as well. I feel like I am out of breath from naming off all of these products. This is an awesome giveaway. I totaled up the cost of all of these products and we're at $500. So this is going to be a $500 giveaway. So again, I am super excited to be able to share these products with you guys. So don't forget to revisit the rules. I'm also going to have the rules posted in the description box below. So I'm super excited. I have not yet decided if I'm going to announce the winner via live or if I'll just record that session. And to make sure that we're keeping all things fair, I won't be handpicking the winner of this giveaway. I'm going to use one of the software programs that will automatically randomly pick someone for me. So that just makes it easy and it does keep it fair. This giveaway is open now. It starts now and it ends on February 5th. I will announce the actual winner on Sunday, February 7th. So I think I'm going to do a live. I want to get into doing more lives with you guys in 2021. So I think I'm going to do a live. So I'll be sure to have the time of that live video on February 6th posted in the description box below as well. So I'm excited, you guys, and I hope you guys are too. So good luck to everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.